am aware that we have gathered here today to discuss and share important steps to consider on the path to success. Success serves as a focal point that motivates us to achieve our personal development and reach our goals. Therefore, in today's speech, I would like to talk about some crucial elements necessary for success. First and foremost, it is important to have a vision, which is the foundation of success. A vision sets the goals and desires that will propel us forward. Thinking big means taking a step towards fulfilling our dreams. We should set bigger goals by surpassing our smaller ones because unless we push our boundaries, we cannot discover our true potential. The second step towards success is exploring the power of motivation and passion. Acting upon an intrinsic source of motivation provides us with the energy needed to better ourselves each day. Engaging in activities we are passionate about helps us overcome the obstacles that come our way and directs us towards our goals. Motivation is the driving force that enables us to reach our goals with insatiable hunger and climb even higher peaks before we find satisfaction. However, we should not overlook the challenges that come along the path to success. Perseverance is the ability to persistently struggle towards the desired outcome. We must find the strength within us to not give up during difficult times. Overcoming the obstacles encountered along the journey of success serves as a source of inspiration. Being determined means putting in all the necessary efforts to reach the goals we set, continuously developing ourselves and strengthening instead of giving up. Lastly, another important factor for success is strategic thinking and planning. In order to reach our goals, we need to have a logical and goal-oriented plan. Having a solid plan is essential to take the necessary steps, utilize resources efficiently, and follow our roadmap. We should constantly evaluate our strategy and make adjustments when needed in order to achieve the targets we have set. Flexibility makes us stronger in the journey toward success. Elements such as vision, motivation, perseverance, and strategic thinking are highly important on the path to success. I firmly believe that when we set goals for ourselves, focus on realizing our desires, and exert a relentless willpower, we will achieve magnificent results. Keep your courage and the power to push your limits. Maintain your support and determination to improve yourself and make your dreams come true every day.